How to freeze location on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can freeze location on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you are sharing location with some of your friends and then you would like to freeze the location, depends on from where you're sharing it. If you're sharing from the Find My app, you can open the Find My app, come to the Me icon here, and then just turn on off Share My Location here. When you turn off Share My Location, your location will not be shown to other people from here. Now let's just say that you want to turn off location on your iPhone as a whole. In that case, in the settings bar, go ahead and then just type in something similar to location here. Once you search for location here, you should be able to say location under privacy and security. Tap on it and then just turn off location services, and all of the applications will also not be able to use your location on your iPhone. This way you should be able to freeze your location. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.